secrets of the past.
Somewhere in Earth's orbit, a mysterious object is said to be circling our planet, silently, invisibly, and possibly for over 13,000 years. It's called the Black Knight Satellite, and to some, it's evidence of alien surveillance. To others, it's one of the most persistent space hoaxes of the modern era. Today, we peel back the layers of myth, media, and misinterpretation to ask, is the Black Knight real? And if so, what exactly is it? The legend of the Black Knight isn't based on a single event. It's a collage of disconnected incidents stitched together over decades. In 1899, Nikola Tesla claimed he had detected unusual radio signals from space while experimenting with wireless electricity in Colorado Springs. Some modern theorists believe he may have been picking up emissions from the Black Knight. However, scientists argue he likely detected natural signals, like pulsars, which weren't understood until the 20th century. In 1927, Norwegian engineer Jørgen Hals reported receiving long-delayed radio echoes, which some took as a sign of something orbiting Earth. But again, the scientific consensus is that these echoes were caused by ionospheric phenomena. In 1954, multiple news reports, most notably in the St. Louis Post-Dispatch, quoted aviation writer Donald Keyhoe, claiming the U.S. Air Force had detected two unidentified satellites orbiting Earth. At the time, neither the U.S. nor the Soviet Union had satellites in orbit. But none of these reports provided physical evidence. In 1960, the U.S. Navy reportedly detected an object in polar orbit, unusual because neither superpower had satellites in such an orbit at the time. It turned out to be the Discoverer 8 satellite, launched by the U.S. as part of the Corona reconnaissance program. The satellite had failed to reach its intended orbit and was tumbling in space. Some observers misidentified the tumbling object, and the myth of the mysterious satellite gained another chapter. In 1998, during the STS-88 space shuttle mission to the International Space Station, astronauts captured an image of an oddly shaped black object. This image is perhaps the most widely circulated visual associated with the Black Knight theory. But NASA was quick to clarify, the object was most likely a thermal blanket accidentally lost during an EVA spacewalk. Astronaut Jerry Ross later confirmed that a blanket had floated away. Despite this, the image was quickly adopted by conspiracy theorists and labeled as proof of alien technology. The Black Knight myth endures for several reasons. It combines ancient mystery with modern technology. It's rooted in real, unexplained signals and NASA photos. It's fueled by the lack of a definitive explanation. Plus, there's the internet. Once photos from STS-88 hit conspiracy forums and social media, the myth went viral. Add dramatic music, ominous narration, and blurry images, and suddenly, the legend gains a life of its own. According to space journalist James Oberg, who worked as a NASA engineer, the entire Black Knight myth is an example of apophenia, the human tendency to see patterns where none exist. He and other experts maintain Tesla likely heard natural phenomena. The long-delayed radio echoes had geophysical causes. The 1954 satellite claims were misreporting. The STS-88 image was a thermal blanket. Even Duncan Lunnan, an early proponent of alien satellite theories, retracted his analysis after acknowledging mathematical errors. As astrophysicist Martina Redpath put it, The Black Knight is a patchwork of unrelated events that have been misinterpreted and sensationalized. The myth has also been embraced by pop culture. Pepsi produced a short film called Black Knight Decoded, imagining a global effort to communicate with the object. The satellite appears in various sci-fi novels, games, and even Marvel comics. Whether real or imagined, the Black Knight has become a symbol of cosmic mystery. So what is the Black Knight satellite? An alien probe silently watching humanity? Or a series of earthly events strung together into myth? Based on current evidence, the answer leans strongly toward the latter. But as with many great mysteries, part of the intrigue lies in what we don't know. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, fact or fiction. If you enjoyed this exploration, give us a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to ring the bell. Stay curious,